Icon Lee Scratch Perry is the oldest reggae artist to make the Billboard Reggae Albums chart since its inception in 1994. Perry charted with his newly released album dubbed Rainford, which currently sits at the #2 spot. The album consists of 9 tracks and was released on Unused Sound on May 10th. On this record, Perry joined forces with previous collaborator Adrian Sherwood for 2 years, with recordings taking place across studios in London, Brazil, and Jamaica. Rainford is described as a mellow, introspective, and autobiographical reflection on Perry's career and life. The album is Scratch Perry's 66th album and reminiscent of the Rick Rubin and Johnny Cash American Recording series, and it is a deeply personal project and pays homage to many of Perry's past styles. Perry recently wrapped his Europe tour, which he teamed up with Mad Professor. The tour kicked off on May 28th and ended on June 2nd.
This is my undead biography and prophecy. I was born in Jamaica, born in Hanover, 20th of March 1936.
Reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid has embarked on his 2019 summer tour. The tour will see the warrior making stops in Monterey, Brooklyn, London, UK, Los Angeles, among others. The artist, who is named among the Reggae Revival, recently performed at the Parklife Festival in Manchester, England, the 4th stop on his summer tour, and he will fulfill obligations in both North America and Europe. Kabaka, who is known for songs like Contraband, Well Done, Can't Breathe, Never Gonna Be a Slave, and Me Alright, is also working on the follow-up to his 2018 album Contraband. He recently released a remix to his hit song Me Can't Breathe, which features Grammy artist Damian Jr. Gong Marley. It has been getting rave reviews. He's also donned his producer's hat for the first time with a rhythm called Victory Rock, which is also set to release soon. Victory Rock is based on a song that Alain did on the rhythm, and other artists who have recorded are Romain Virgo, Chris Martin, Bugle, and Pressure Bus 5. On the international scene, American rapper Tyler, the Creator's new album, has released his album titled Igo. The 14-track project was written and produced by Tyler and features guest verses from CeeLo Green, Playboi Carti, Charlie Wilson, and Kanye West. The album Igo is the follow-up to his Grammy-nominated 2017 project Flower Boy. The Creator earned himself a Grammy nomination for the Best Rap Album. In November last year, Tyler, the Creator, released his music inspired by Illumination and Dr. Seuss, The Grinch EP. Tyler also recently announced his upcoming tour, which will also see the artist making stops in London, New York, Colombia, among others. And that's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Kalia. Thanks for watching.